The AV-8B Harrier II is the U.S. military's only short takeoff, vertical landing jet aircraft in current inventory. Originally flown in the late 1960s, the Harrier has undergone a series of improvements that have increased safety, range, and lethality. The AV-8B is a key component of the Marine Corps' all-est-OVL force concept, allowing Marines to be supported in austere conditions in expeditionary environments. £22,000 of thrust enable the Harrier II to hover like a helicopter and then blast forward like a jet at near supersonic speeds. Like every aircraft in the Marine fleet, this aircraft is used for multiple missions, which include attacking and destroying surface and air targets, escorting helicopters, engaging in air-to-air defense, providing reconnaissance and applying offensive and defensive support with its arsenal of missiles, bombs, and an onboard 25mm cannon. Offering the versatility to conduct almost any mission, the Harrier II provides the ideal blend of firepower and mobility to effectively counter enemies engaged by our ground forces. The AV-8BV/STOL strike aircraft was designed to replace the AV-8A and the A-4M light attack aircraft. The Marine Corps requirement for a VSTOL light attack force has been well documented since the late 1950s. Combining tactical mobility, responsiveness, reduced operating costs, and basing flexibility both afloat and ashore, VSTOL aircraft are particularly well suited to the special combat and expeditionary requirements of the Marine Corps. The AV-8BI+ features the APG-65 radar common to the FA-18, as well as all previous systems and features common to the AV-8BI. High-risk operations. The AV-8B Harrier II and the F-16C Fighting Falcon have each been lost in combat 5 times, yet another indication that the aircraft perform extremely high-risk missions. In the case of the Harrier jet, combat losses may in part be due to its slower speed and its role as a vertical takeoff jump jet driver between combat areas and aircraft carriers. Essentially, the Harrier jet may have suffered losses by virtue of its high-risk mission, similar to the A-10. Yet unlike the A-10, the Harrier jet is not built with the redundancy or titanium hull sufficient to withstand incoming enemy fire. Also, the Harrier jet is a large attack plane, described by the Navy as operating with a mission to attack and destroy surface and air targets and escort helicopters. Specifically, the Navy's description of the Harrier jet states it is tasked with extremely high-risk missions, such as conducting offensive and defensive anti-air warfare, combat patrol, and armed escort missions. Clearly, this mission set might help explain why more Harriers have been lost in combat compared with other aircraft. In fact, the Navy write-up on Harrier jet says the aircraft was the first to arrive in theater during Desert Storm in 1991.
Top.